Make sure you have that gun on full auto. I hear footsteps left. Maybe not in there, but... You hear it? He might be upstairs. There's definitely someone in this house. Probably the bedrooms. You don't want to be a stink duck, dude.
I just need to...
Shotgun, dude. The shotgun does, at this range, what he's in one of those closed doors on the end then.
You think I should wait for him?
Up to you. If you do, wait downstairs. Like, not here. Like, go back into the main living room. There he is. He's right behind the door, dude. He's right behind that door. You see that gun? You see that gun?
Just shoot the door. There's just blast that door.
Oh, he's coming up.
What the fuck?